Do you like that? What is that? He just brings you that. I think that might be for Mommy.
My truck.
Is that your truck?
Oh, nice ball! Yay!
Look at that nice truck.
Hey, baby, I have these things.
Look at this thing.
Look at this big house.
Isn't it beautiful?
What do you think about that?
Aw, that's you right there.
That baby on the potty, Louie. You know the baby we saw on TV?
And cute lady boots.
You think those are for Dada?
Don't mind.
I like those boots.
And maybe Santa got this these cute boots.
You do?
Aw, look right over there. Oh, new movie. SMC.
Mmm.
The new movie.
I like it.
And the new movie,
I
Daddy.
used to eat that.
Louie, everything in that stocking's yours. That's the Emmy stocking.
Why don't you dig into that stocking and see what else is in there?
No, the one you just pulled those out of. There's more stuff
That
in
was
there.
an Emmy. Yep, that's
That
an
one.
Emmy.
Oh, look at these. We said that. Look at that big house.
Are you going to live in that house? You are.
I'll show you.
Can you show me?